Alright, we're in. We are in our video. So we're gonna do some build a boat for treasure, and my friend Liam is gonna show us how to make a treadmill. Treadmill, whatever, my speech is bad.
I know, it's okay, buddy. I'm gonna hit mute for a second because I have stuff going on in my background.
So we will be, yeah, hey Liam. So, yep. First we place down a block, 2 blocks actually. We scale it down half a block and we make it this little treadmill shape. How much blocks is this by? Here, Liam, let me share blocks with you so I can see. This is a 11 by 1. This is 11 by 1 by 17 block. We have another block over here. We have another block. Yeah, size doesn't matter on the block, guys. W grammar. I'm just gonna sit down right here. And we can watch Liam do the process. So he places down some wheels.
Alright, guys, I no longer have to be mute. So, there's also other videos on this, so if you want to look up better tutorials, because this is my first time trying it, but I'm pretty sure it works. You're gonna get teleported. Oh, never mind. You're in the wheel. Bye-bye.
Ooh, I'm sitting down. Yo, guys, you want to see me do something funny to Liam?
Troll me, and I will literally crash your game.
Okay, please don't.
So, wait, 1 second. It's easy. Hopefully my autosave isn't being a bum. I mean, it kind of is, but
Ah, dang, Liam. Well, he's gotta redo this. I'm probably gonna edit this video anyways.
yeah, please do. Anyways, so the reason why that happened is because I forgot to turn the torque. You're supposed to have the torque at like very low, so then you just bam, bam, bam. Alright, so then you want real speed. So you can turn to like 10 or something. Alright, and then you also have to unanchor. So.
Yeah. All right.
Alright. You were going.
Yep, still recording.
So you're going on turn. Alright, so you're going on to bam. Alright, and then do that. Now if you literally just
Scale the block into this one. And it's now a conveyor belt. See, guys?
and
And
also
then,
you can literally control the speed of it. So and also this one also works as one, so but you can also literally just scale this into it. And so like you can literally just do this.
and guys, that's how you make a conveyor belt.
And then look. And now here. Let's go to the end.
Fully functioning conveyor belt made by Battery Eater himself.
You can even email on it. And also you can depending on the speed of the tires and the speed of the treadmill. So if I wanted, I could literally just change those tires to be
Faster. Alright, I think that's the end of the video. Let's end this.
alright. Okay, I show you this.